Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Best Product. If it is the first time you watch my videos, subscribe to my channel and give a like to this video. Today I'm gonna do a review to Oukitel K10. This phone is from GEARBEST. Open the box. Inside the box we have the smartphone. My first impression is the phone is very heavy. It looks cool and nice, but it's very heavy. Quick charger, SIM card pin, air jack adapter, OTG cable, USB cable, screen protector, user manual. Oukitel K10 is the world's first 11,000 mAh battery smartphone, and it's not just the first smartphone of the company in 2018, but also one of the most powerful of their smartphones. The smartphone comes with 4 cameras, 2 rear cameras and 2 front cameras. Oukitel K10 has a large 6-inch Full HD. Oukitel K10 is not only come with a massive battery, but also it comes with a 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. The photo quality is very good. To protect your device and data, Oukitel add Face ID as well to make it even more secure. As we said earlier, the K10 is a powerful smartphone on the benchmark area because it has a strong built-in hardware. When we speak about memory, it has 6 GB of RAM, including 64 GB storage space, which you can additional upgrade using the memory card. For graphic activity, it has Mali G71 GPU, which will be enough time for every purpose like watching movies. As we can see, the quality of video on YouTube look very good. We can also play a high quality game. As we can see, there is no lag in this game. Don't forget to visit my channel each day I post a new video.